Omulungi yakomenda kwanda Rose Media yuji nkwaniza nakola nkabaza n'umujana joto sakenga mukwana subscribing atwayanza nnyo bambi ate atanana bambi nawe subscribing ateka ko notification bell tuberenga tutambulira wamu olwaira nkuletedde amawulire amalungi mawulire gava wa Shakib omugole ne Zari banange bano bakyanyumire n'abantu era tebatudde bakyabogerera mbunne embaga omukyala yagiteeka mu ssente Netflix yamukolera embaga kubanga omwami teyateekamu yadde 10 naye nze ngamba kino kyonna tekirina buzibu bo bakoze embaga era fe wano ku under Rose Media tubayoza kati bafumbo mwami na mukyala era Zari yagambye nti eno yembaga yeesose bali abasooka abaami be yalina tebaamukuba mbaga bannange tubayoza mukama abawe obufumbo obulungi wabula ate gagava ewa mwana muwala Farida Nakazibwe bambi yavuddeko yalekulira NTV naye kigambibwa mbu agenda Canada bambi agenda kuba kyeyo tumusabire mukama naye amutambulize bulungi ate ye Kapale bambi abantu bamuwadde amagezi kubanga yafuna omukyala omukulu mu America mbu yekuume bamuwandikidde ebbaluwa ne bamugamba tazanyira mu mpapula ku baana Abamerica bwe bamanya nti tomwagala bya ddala abajja stazaamu empapula kuba wabadde bamuwa amagezi nti atwale sister we alimberimba omuzungu naye bamugambye kino tagezaako n'akola ki n'akikola era mukwano gena kubanga obiraba byonna nga bwe byagenze ate ye DonZela birthday yakitutte mu Dubai ogenda kuba obiraba ate Jalia Walda ali mweraliikirivu olw'omwami we bambi waliwo omuntu gw'abadde akozesa nga abadde ayagala kumubbira musajja bena kambi kutereyo birabe mukama omulungi akukumire beera bulungi bye.
Amazima gali nti omusajja omwavu kobeere mukazi mwavu empisa zibeerewo ze zirina okweyimirira wabeerewo kye bakwegombako nti kale
mwavu naye alina empisa
alina empisa alina enjogera omugaga yakkirizibwa okwogera nga bw'ayagala omwavu tokkirizibwa kwogera nga bw'oyagala kuba tusigaze eki tukweguyeeko ki tolina ssente empisa ziganye tusigaze eki bulungi tebabulya.
Okay, so it's basically like I want to share something. This is a funny story. So this is a story for people who work like together. I work with my husband here, so we get to hire this girl. She's supposed to come in on Friday and Saturdays, basically to do like labels, to label products, help us with some other tiny things. Okay, so she worked the first week, second week, third week. So this was supposed to be her fourth week, which she's supposed to come like tomorrow. Today is a Thursday. She's supposed to come on Friday, tomorrow, and Saturday. Okay, so she sent me a message yesterday night. It was around like 5 or 6, but I responded to it later at night. I say a message, she's like, hey, can you give me your husband's number? Maybe if I need to tell you something in case you're not picking up. Okay, playing it cool. I don't want to sound like, okay, but I'm like, I sent her a message, I'm like, is everything fine? Whenever you contact me, you get to contact me via my number. She's like, yeah, just in case your number is off. Like, my number is never off. My number is on, my personal number. There is no day you've ever looked for me and you don't find me. Okay, it's all right. Okay, I'm like, you and my husband, it's all right. I send her another number. We have another business and we use that number for that other business. So I send her, I'm like, okay, it's all right. I'm trying to be very cool. But I talked with my husband, like, why is she asking for your number? Why? So most of the time, or like 99% of the time, I handle like stuff of like, you know, people that come in, the employees, people that work here. I most of the time handle that, and he gets to handle other things. So we talked about it. I'm like, yeah, why is she asking for him? I'm like, okay, it's all right. I already knew her intentions. So I sent her that number. Tell me why this morning she sends a message to that number. She's like, hi, I just wanted to introduce myself. Then she writes her name, blah, 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 blah. I rarely see you at the warehouse because most of the time it's hard for you to see my husband. Even when you come around, it's hard for you to see him. It's either in his office or he's out most of the time. Oh, I rarely see you at the warehouse, so I just wanted to quickly introduce myself to you and tell you, you know, good stuff, eh? yeah, my name is this, blah blah blah, I work for you guys and you guys seem amazing, I would like to get a chance to meet you as well so that we can catch up, perhaps we can have dinner. Girl, you're fired. I wish you saw how I was boiling. I read the message. I know lots of women will be like, oh, you be insecure. You be I say the way you want it, but on the professional side of the story, you need to know where you stop. You need to know when to say it, how to say it, and making contacts with people